Out here at the cemetery again. I didn't expect to fly today because the weather is so bad, but this is really a test flight because this is the drone I crashed into the tree last week. And I want to get it up. That's why I came here to the cemetery, because if it goes down, which it shouldn't, it's I can easily get to it as opposed to flying over the woods and stuff. But I'm looking for, check my autofocus, make sure that's up to the horizon. Put in a new gimbal ribbon on the camera. Check some speed here. It's a little breezy. It was supposed to rain all day, but it stopped for a little while, so I figured I'd come out and give this thing a rip. 40 miles an hour. So far so good. No warnings. I calibrated everything. The only thing I couldn't calibrate was the sensors. And it's because I got a bigger monitor for my computer, which is like a 32-inch. It was really just a TV I had sitting around. So when I go to set it up, it doesn't. You're supposed to, when you use that, follow the dots on the screen, and it doesn't work on the old. So I got to use my son's laptop. What's with people pulling in here? Jesus Christ! 2 other cars. I don't like to be bothered when I'm flying. Everything looks good. Whole lot of nothing out here. Yeah, this isn't supposed to be interesting. I'm just testing. Hitting the headwind. Great picture. $141 feet. Getting on the outside. Yeah, that big ass tree, you can see that from the road. Yeah, like I said, this isn't a flight for sightseeing, checking the scenery. I just wanted to make sure everything's working right. This thing, it fell, hit the tree. I got the video. It's pretty cool. No, fucking phone. Her phone just rang. I had to decline it. It's my girlfriend. I'll call her back. Can't see what I'm doing and talking on the phone at the same time. She's gonna have to wait. Now I forgot what I was fucking saying. It hit the tree. What happened was, the video is pretty cool. It shows it flying into the tree. Sensors worked. I had misjudged the altitude by no more than 4 or 5 feet, and I knew it was getting too low, and I tried to stop it, and I hit return to home, but it was just a little bit out of reach, so it kept going. Didn't get the signal, didn't get the memo. Hit the tree. It slowed way down, It basically just brushed up against the tree, and then they're tree branches, so the thing thought maybe it was clear, tried to continue, and then the blades hit the branch and the thing just tumbled down. And I found it pretty quickly. Well, in less than 20 minutes. It's on the other videos, I say that. I sound like a broken record repeating myself. It hit the ground from 200 feet, and really the damage wasn't that bad. The gimbal ribbon broke, and the two front landing pads broke. So they're all fixed now. As you can see, camera's acting perfectly. Be happy about that. My other drone, Crash Bandicoot, that's the one that took the beating in the crash. I gotta change the gimbal ribbon on that. Hopefully it'll be in the mail today. I get a lot of fluttering when I'm flying. I've gotten really good at changing the gimbal ribbons too. Could do them pretty quickly now. There. Really comes down to one crucial fold on the ribbon. If you do that part right, the rest of it's a breeze. Gonna come back over here. Go check on see if there's any hood rats over there. 53% battery. 200 feet. I'm using the DJI Go app right now. Calibrated the compass, the IMU, inertia, motion, something. And I gotta do the sensors, but I gotta borrow my son's laptop because I can't do it with my big screen TV monitor. It's like a nice clear picture. It's starting to rain again, sprinkling. It's supposed to rain all day. So I got a little break in the weather and I had some time. And I thought I would give it a test rip. I don't see anybody out here. Little bastards. I really can't see them on this tiny screen till I'm right on top of them. I need to get an iPad 4 mini. I got it too. Bought it just for this, but it just doesn't have the process power to keep up. I get a really big lag in the video. No warnings. Everything is like perfect in my little world right now. 37% battery. Half mile out. Half nautical mile out, as the crow flies. Oh, there they are. Or not. Let's see, I can't tell. Yeah, them little ridges looked like hood rats at first. Make sure I'm not gonna land in the fucking trees. Gotta come home in a minute. Yeah, my niggas ain't out right now.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go home.
Return home. Come on, leave me alone. Don't call. I'm fucking flying. Shit. Always remember to put your phone in airplane mode. Get away from the beep beep. It's annoying when I play back the video. I can get it home twice as fast by flying it by hand, but scenery's kind of cool. I hear. There he is. Most guys call like aircraft or boats and planes she. I call them he. Try not to be sexist, you know? PC. PC all the way. Alright, he's coming down now. Nice colors, huh? Look at that. Beauty. Oh, what a perfect landing. With that said, good test flight. No issues whatsoever. Very happy about that. Good repair. Flying good as new. Cost me $30 to fix it. Because the landing arms were $10 a piece. I had to get them on Amazon if I wanted them fast. Otherwise, 3 weeks I would take to get them from China, so I paid more to get them quicker. Anyways, with that said, nice flight. D-Dub out.